Hello guys, I am Sudhir Jobra and I'll be presenting myself on revolutionizing betting the decentralized way. So, the big storing the future on betting to blockchain and innovation. Next up, unveiling decentralized app. So, first of all, what are decentralized apps? So, D apps are something that are apps that work on blockchain. Like, why blockchain, right? Because blockchain helps in enhancing transparency and security. Plus, decentralization grants users a greater control over their data, and so there is reduction of any reliance on a centralized authority. I am taking in consideration Stake app. It's worldwide the most sought after app, I must say. So these are stats of Stake. So these are monthly stats. So Stake has been growing with a monthly growth rate of 25%. Stake is the major market shareholder with 60% in India, and its revenue is supposed to be over $250 million every single month just in India. And its download is around 1.5 million a month, and that is growing. Next up is decentralized betting. Let me tell you this simply how Dojima can help in that. Generally, while we do betting in India, what we do is we deposit money through UPI, and obviously by using UPI, a central authority in the name of bank usually comes into play. But obviously, while I used Stake once, so what I did was I entered my UPI ID. So I got a request from a third-party vendor, and when I paid, the payment from the third-party vendor came to a Stake.com. But you can clearly see there's a third-party vendor. What if he doesn't pay me and you assured me that I have paid? There is a sense of, there's no central authority, so there's a sense of risk. So this is where we'll be using blockchain here. So I'll be taking an example of CoinDC and then how, Dojima can help in that. So let's say we have CoinDC here and we are Stake. And from here, I'll be taking one cryptocurrency. There are various cryptocurrency which we can work, but I'll be taking USDT. I'll tell you the reason after that. So I think USDT. So on CoinDC, I safely deposited USDT on the CoinDC, which is decentralized, so there's no issue of safety. So from CoinDC, what I want to do is I can directly, not just convert, but directly transfer money from CoinDC to Stake using blockchain. Because if I use CoinDC and I transfer USDT to Stake, it is completely based on blockchain and it is completely decentralized. But now here is the catch between them. What is something that will form the blockchain? We all know that to form blockchain there are 4 to 5 major networks. There is Tron, there is Ethereum, there is DSC, BEP20, etc., etc. But for those networks, I think Dojima will come into play. And one more thing, why I have picked ULB. So let me assume from CoinDC, I transfers 10 USDT to Stake.com. Now the catch is, if I would have taken let's say 1 Bitcoin, one election came, and after one election it rose by I think double 15-20%. The Bitcoin raised by 20% during election. And let's say I bought a Stake 10 USDT, which was around 830 rupees, and at the same time I typed 45 lakhs. I have this much money in Stake already. The next day, my 45 lakh has been converted into, let's say, 65 lakh. I mean, we are doing betting already. We're not trading. So we don't want fluctuation. What if it fails from 45 to 25? We are betting. Our purpose is betting. It's not trading, okay? So USDT was stable because USDT we have to fluctuate that much. It goes in with the US dollar rate only. Its fluctuation is minor. It doesn't really matter. So this is where I've explained how we'll be using CoinDC. Not just CoinDC, yes, Dojima can also build up a technology where it can, directly make transactions. And especially, I'm not supposed to be saying that Dojima can clearly make something that's similar to CoinDC. Just even USDT, even if you guys in Dojima itself can work with USDT, there's no need of a third. There's no need of CoinDC also. Ozma can clearly be pretty USDT with different blockchain networks and every transfer to say. This is what a betting app we can make in India that is decentralized, and there is a third party in between. People can safely make transactions. And next up, what we have is again market trends, and these are the market trends across the world. So across the world, the betting apps have been growing with a growth rate of 25%. Currently, I read an article the market size is close to 35 to $40 billion, and we aim to be doing above $50 billion by the end of this year. The user base growth is known to be around 3 million people which are active. Future projection is by the end of next financial year, by we'll be having $100 billion in decentralized app. That is a separate thing. Well, my main model is on betting apps. This was this model. I don't even know 3 slides something. This is a model I explained it, and that's all. Thanks so much.